come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I jam me.
Scanty, leave me alone.
Right.
Scanty! Ah! What is it? What is it?
Precious. Is it true you are pregnant for Aroma?
Because your question, Ben, I'll be Samuel.
Precious.
You never speak sense.
Precious, it's trending in this whole school that you are pregnant for Aroma.
And you believe I'm pregnant? Do I look like a pregnant person?
I don't believe, but that's why I want to.
So why are you asking me?
At least I have to confirm from you.
And how is it your business? If I'm pregnant or not, will you leave the school because I'm pregnant? No. So how is your business?
Precious, I'll not leave the school, but if you are pregnant for Aroma, I can even kill myself.
Then go and kill yourself. If being pregnant will make you kill yourself, then I'm pregnant.
Precious.
Yes, I'm pregnant. In fact, I'm pregnant with twins. Mekowo in Tafo. So go and kill yourself.
Pregnant, but Precious, please tell me it's a joke.
It's not a joke.
Pray.
If telling you it's a joke will make you kill yourself, then I'm pregnant. Go and kill yourself, Scanty.
Precious, why should you be pregnant for Aroma?
Why should I be pregnant?
Precious, like...
How is this your concern? You don't cease to surprise me. Every time you keep saying things that don't make sense. Well, how is this your business?
Precious, all this while you know I still like you back. So why should you get pregnant for my own brother?
Oh, the Adams.
Precious.
Adams.
Precious.
Oh,
even
no.
if you are pregnant for Aroma, it's not late. Like, we can kill the baby.
Kill which baby? Kill which baby?
Can do wonders for us to kill the baby. I have some remedies. You can just take them.
Give it to yourself. Give it to yourself. Give it to yourself.
Right.
Why are you like this?
Better still, we can kill my brother now. I can take.
Wickedness. You see how your brain works. So how our brain working. Yes,
Precious, I can do anything for the sake of your love.
And which love? I don't love you. I don't like you. There's nothing at all between us.
Precious.
It's just animosity. We don't like each other. Me, I don't like you. If you like me, I don't like you. So if I'm pregnant, it's none of your business.
Precious, all this while I thought you were just punishing me or stressing me.
Punishing you?
It's like you are serious.
Oh, Adams. Oh. Haven't you stopped dreaming? You've been dreaming, sir. Since I left, you were dreaming.
Precious, like, I still need you back. Oh.
If someone doesn't like you, just stay away.
And if someone likes you, you should like the person back.
It's not by force.
Precious, it's not late. We can kill the baby.
I'm pregnant, okay? Go and continue spreading it that I'm pregnant. And then I'm going to give birth to twins. Have that.
Precious.
Oh.
Precious. Okay, you know, we can just kill Aroma.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I jam me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me
Rachel. Why are you still not here from Opoku?
I wish my phone was here. My phone is inside. I'll show you how many times I've called this guy. He's not picking up. You see,
so is that why you are sad?
What else? What else?
Rachel. See, I didn't want it to come out of my mouth, but you said it. I told you. I know Opoku. You came to meet me here. I told you Opoku is like this. You didn't believe me. You see the troubles you are going through. I told you. Of all the people in this school, I was the one who confidently came to you to tell you how Opoku was like.
I always know. You see, I can't even look straight into your eyes because I'm even shy. I've been calling this guy. I wish my phone was here. You could have seen how many times I've called Opoku.
When we go inside, then show me. Yeah, I believe you. So what are you going to do about it?
Mimi, I won't talk to him again.
You won't talk to him again? I won't say anything about this thing anymore.
For this
because
one,
I know
serious.
that when I advise you, you still go back. Then I'll be the third person. But me, if you ask me, I'll tell you to leave him because Opoku, he doesn't know what he wants. Now he has 2 girls. He's supposed to choose one. Do you think he's going to choose you?
What's
that?
I don't like him anymore. I want to live my life. I want to be all alone. One day, now serious. I'm serious about it. Now, boy, could Allah.
Hey, now but you. No, Opoku, when you appreciate. Hey, when you Aroma be there, when you be brave. Yet move forward, oh, nice girl.
You like him.
You like who? Opoku. Ah, people are disgracing us. If you guys are supposed to fight over some Opoku, really?
It's okay.
Really, Opoku. Ah.
You need to tease me, oh.
Oh no. Me, I'm advising you, but I know that when I advise you won't listen. So what I can do is laugh about it.
I say one, not serious. Like I'm serious about this. So I'm not going to talk to him again.
And now to how I am sad.
Say me.
If you didn't care, you would just move on. Eh? And you're still thinking about this guy.
It hurts.
So yeah, he didn't even spend your money. Did he spend your money?
A little bit.
What about Lucci? Lucci was just his bank. When he needs money, then he remembers Lucci. You, I think maybe he liked you. That was why I was rooting for you. Oh. Me, I've never been behind Lucci's back.
For Lucci's money, he said it's not true. I believe him in that.
You believe him, Rachel? You are still stupid. For you to say you are stupid, you are. Because if Opoku can manipulate you both to do this, then any other guy can do that. You've not heard my history in this school.
Yours is different.
But still, I move with my brains. Move with your brain, eh? Know how to move.
One day, not serious.
But me, I will not say anything about this issue.
I said I'm serious about this. Major na manyami so Opoku Bobe Breno the go so. Opoku. Hey, this one I'm serious, so I'm serious. Opoku. Ciao, manya no pepe papa. Opoku.
Rich, just what do you else? Exactly. Chinetia breme hu akwa kunkusa Opoku ne Tatiana wait Isaac. Che, what's that? What's that? Ah, now look you wait me sir. Ben to get sell. Who soon? Look you soon. Eh soon. Ma kwa ko hu so mu mi enu ti ho. Na ba be fro. O ko na hit na dey ko. O ko ni hit. O ko kra na mi ye ko minim so afa bo kra sha one side o.
So me minju ndio minim sa obo.
Nti unji mi ndi na ye ko ya fe de ko hu setup no ko hu scene no. Na o afa de na ba otire.
I want to minim say because like obem me explanation so Johnny.
Just soon na kasa. Oh. Unim so ma den. You bring am to ice cream shop one. Won for be won pie be na fan won trim. Huh?
Say be no need to me baby ana. If you minim dey ma omot na o think explanation is kakra bi kra.
Nchi. One.
Yes, me chidi, is the me chidi o de Opoku aye me no.
As why do you kit be say? Na we kura edu se be sun. Minim say me be kanu kura na me be jinja no hiti na nka ye kasa wie ya wo speed na ko say gina yesu. Ha?
Say me enti anka me.
Jayo ya no. Adi we ya one time ade eduru ya na nka watam ade na ade abon like take action be ma wonye gidigidi na boy no kura ni mungu as na ma fo so abo crash. Kesi awama the eduma na be na aye brebu. Ma ko konsa for say eduma ye din too much. As we am here as soon for so be am say me be fro na nka okwa. Okwa akojina ye say sanka me be fro.
Say yes we.
The day nenye oda den as dey nenye see we. Ote one boys net canteen echu. ko sisi ana ye ho se de afi na asem na show. Me no wa Jimmy.
Me say na me ntimi nko.
Me no nsan ko. Lu Jimmy, ya na me ye konkonse ni me nye Jimmy fu.
Me ba ko no ko.
Ana me say ba ko first food is no a food, but second food is a food. Ba ko no me ko mi nti we me nsan ko. Ya se me ye konkonse no school nti ma say Jimmy.
Ni me nkwa yi se me nkwa me ntimi nko.
Ene kwa kofi. So me kan Jimmy. I can concept for Iddi and saying too much.
Come on, make us say menim kakre.
Don't touch me, don't touch me.
Oh, come on. Until you say my feel.
Don't touch me, you can just talk, I'm listening.
No, mommy attitude. Miss Rowe. Oh, my man drinking too much. Miss Rowe. Come and see me. Hey, papa, me you. On a tete me, on a hammy. Come on, me that means me that Miss Rowe. She many name can say.
Bennis. You've been playing me for a fool for too long, Bennis.
Oh.
This thing is not going to continue, Bennis. I'm tired.
Come on, please. You just listen to me, I beg you.
Then any day comes out.
Until you say they make a show, me say me papa no any men on net me on the dimechi.
Some being Bennis. Tell me, what do you want me to do?
Me say me pill.
If you were in my shoes, would you just accept this kind of proposal? Bennis, tell me, if you were in my shoes, and I was going about telling my exes that I want them back, how would you
feel?
Are
not my ex.
But the headmaster is your ex though.
But I'm not doing anything. He's the one forcing me.
And you are thinking about it.
No, I'm not thinking about it anymore. I'm not.
Like, can't you understand how this thing is?
Come on, don't do that. It's you I love. Come on, please.
Bennis. No. Bennis, hold on. We are having a conversation. We are not done. You can't just tell me this and I'll have to accept you. Bennis, you need to cry I say, Bennis, you've been playing me for a fool for too long. For far too long. And I wasn't wise enough to see it. How dumb was I?
Come on, please. Don't do this to me. Okay, come on. And yeah, baby, I didn't know own headmaster office. Now, nene nkoke can say bia. Me know e will be. Send a baby on in a mobile face so the baby on ye. No face. Headmaster.
Bennis! And I'm assuming to you Kung Fu Panda.
So bet me no.
Debbie, subject to you, Bennis! I'm back at Jumano. We've stopped, Bennis. Debbie, we need a mini headmaster Koku.
That's what bet me no, they will show.
And don't you want me to see my certificate?
Come on. So open me and some make catch all the tuning in coffee, so not the BCBNC.
Bennis, it's not about me loving you. Listen, 2026. Bema obey na just walk about one Bema no Sebi. Bennis, I should go and fight for love. Me, fight for a girl. Bennis. Debbie. Yes, I may disappointing for baby on internet. Please.
Don't disappoint you. Be an person me.
I don't like whatever you want to do, Bennis. You can.
Actually, so one come me say.
Uti, let's do it this way. You lie. You are doing something that you want. You want to go back to your ex, I presume.
No.
But listen. I can give you that go ahead to do whatever. Sometimes you may have a bad lie on one side. I'm not leaving you. No, I'm not leaving you, Bennis. See, I'm not breaking up with you or anything. But I want to do my lie. And also you lie.
Oh yeah, also yeah then. Oh yeah, lie. me patch also on any kwakasa no be unse me no air out no. Oh yeah, lie.
Bennis, for that I can't do. Seriously, I can't go to headmaster. I should go and fight headmaster. Debbie.
And you say, wait, me man, I say, you know,
I saw me jetly, and I'm not going to Indiana.
When they will come to me, Mama, minty.
No, I've not learned taekwondo yet. Please, Bennis, please.
This year birthday can be betray me.
And like I'm saying, me. So who the why dream be mommy pan I say Sebi, me know atemu, ba oya bajemba. Bennis, you are doing something that you feel good about, yeah? Besides, you wanted good results and you were doing this. So see, do your lie. Let me do my lie.
I'm not doing anything.
Bennis, friends with benefit is not bad.
I don't like it like that.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months I Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go.
Hey, fool, stand there.
Hey,
Why are you like that?
in the first place, why did you call me?
Fool.
Fool. Hey, Precious, maybe I feel you're doing. You are calling me a fool.
You've been hearing this from me for a long time. Why are you surprised?
But you've not used it as an introduction before. Hey, fool. Precious.
No. I stopped you here, not because I wanted to talk to you. I want you to know what you've been doing. Why are you always getting into people's affairs? Why are you always trying to enter into situations that don't involve you? Huh?
Precious, the way you've been talking to me and treating me these days, like, it seems like you are the one who gave birth to me. Huh? How do you want to?
I'm not here
just
for
tell
you
me.
to
Just
talk
tell
to
me.
me. I want
Wait,
to talk
wait.
to you.
I know you want to talk to me, but listen to what I'm also telling you. How do you see me these days? Just tell me. How do you see me? How do you want to control me?
I don't think you want to hear that. I don't think you want to hear that. So let me just say my part and then I'll just leave. As you are going, just as mad as you are, you can keep on talking to yourself as you go. It wouldn't be surprising to anybody because Obian himself was in age man. She said, "Oh, kona o kasa kasa." We all know that is something you can do. So let me just finish saying mine. If you have any stupid thing to tell me when you are going, then you'll be talking. Do you get it?
So what's your problem?
My problem is that why is it that Opoku has gotten 2 girls and then you want to get into their affairs? Why?
Listen to yourself.
Is it part of your business?
Listen.
Why do you always want to gossip? Why do you always want to talk about people? Why?
Because are you listening to yourself?
Yes, I am.
You are a lady and you are saying Opoku has gotten 2 girls. So assuming
You, what haven't you done in the school? The reason I'm saying this to you is that you have done worse. You have done
I regret doing those. So that's why I'm also trying to stop you from doing what is not good.
It's not your business. When you were doing yours, you didn't even get sense. The girls left you, right? And then now he's also doing his. When he gets into the scenario where he has to leave one, he will get the sense and leave. And we all know Opoku is smarter than you. So he knows better than you. And you aren't the one who is going to help Opoku have sense. Because he has his own sense.
So Precious, because you hate me, because you don't like me, even if Opoku is doing the wrong thing, you support Opoku, right?
I will pick.
You are a lady.
Even if, right, you and Opoku, you are the last guys in the world, I'll choose Opoku over you 10 times.
Oh, I know. Now you choose Opoku over him because you are stranded, like you yourself.
I'm stranded.
Yeah, in this school you are broken-hearted than any other lady in this school. You don't know what you are doing because between me and Opoku, if you choose Opoku, then you just don't know what you are doing.
Manenda. Now you're bad man. Let people see you and say this is a man. Oh. It's so sad that Aroma is your brother.
If not, say, I have in mind that one day I'll come back for you.
You will come back for me. I refuse. I rebuke it.
Mark it here.
If you're the last guy on earth, I would stay single. Trust me. I don't like you. I can't date a stupid guy.
Precious, one day, just trust me. One day you come back for that stupid guy. No, that
time was a time that I was dumb. I was stupid. Now I am back.
Do you know the plans that I'm planning towards you? The plans that I'm arranging to come back for you.
As I said when you are going, right? Then be talking to yourself. Insult me on the way because you don't have what it takes to insult me in front of me. Okay, so you can even stand here and talk to me while I'm not here. You are capable.
Listen, do you know yourself? Do you know you still love me?
So I don't have time for this, girl. Don't touch me. Leave me. Scanty.
You can't just walk over me.
Stop that. I don't like that.
Scanty, stop it! Stop it! Stop it, Damo!
When you say Miss Happy, I
Once I go away. Scanty!
Be so fair for 1 year, man. Who be a mom said it? Hey, who be a mom said it? Students. A dinner, maybe could fear me a copiscan. You do know the coach man. I don't know how.
And him say school there.
You're in near as a chum for
A school property. Or have a quack.
Hey, come Opoku. Soon in a sack of boss beam. Then come here, Kauni.
You know, the Johnny Dada, I'm a coworker.
Why did you end that out?
Headmaster.
Hey, if you couldn't land headmaster, didn't come up you.
Madame Fulano.
What missing Yadam for? So many like so only father for me, 12 me feel.
Debbie.
Mepamo, what are some?
Aha, Papa. What has Maba?
They are some.
Simply security what?
Assembly.
Casa gist.
Casa why
Casa
just?
gist.
Why just?
Casa gist.
Just.
Casa gist.
Just.
Yeah, gist. Gist.
Just.
Gist. Gist.
Gist.
Ka? Yes, yes, I'm trying.
Hey!
Now we team come out from the other.
Asantu abai.
Asantu anyem. Guy na oni guy koko na wo ya. Akura ni wo ye.
Hey! No no ko school we ba so ma wo sa na wa bodo mana.
Just abanu no.
Hey!
So team kasa just ni bi.
Foko.
You say me make am me.
How just?
The just the buy also
Just.
jijimaso.
Just yi me bay.
Kasa just.
Just.
Kasa just.
Just.
Kurigiri.
Eh. What about that simu?
Na be more information. Mo wani nje kasa just.
Just.
Kasa just.
Just.
Kasa just.
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 Me jimi wo.
Hey, me bay the way to you.
E wodi ene ni. Who say Scanty na nene.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Hey! You're the boy about the mana.
Why then?
So we be wa pen ma saa. Ni santo ko won si asanto ya nyim. Ama ne bewu nyankopon adom. Wa de ne ho. O se ko so ma sa ko nyim no.
Na be ma de so on fan 105 pro no about.
Hey!
No, the open and say o rere.
Ne boy ko school utimi nyim asanto so bi o wo school. Utimi nyim sa wo badam.
O ya le dedodo. Confirm bra me kwa na mi ndi bi.
Hey! Anything happen?
Na me de me nyanga me pe.
Hey!
They say de me nya bi am pe.
Do you be nyi bi ape? Obna mi do nyim so am fa papa.
Me se
Ko papa pedi sika wo pedi ho ye.
Hey, obeti ase.
Do obete mi chijimi kwasia mi chijimi.
Na be de
ba ko ho fe nya na me ye na eyi ama no. Me ni ne kasa kasa.
On peme. So me conform sam. Me be do obeti ase mam. Oye boda ni kura me meti.
Me catch you say jai kro no wo jai kro no say say nka afa ma wo chimi wo de ko
ozo boko no eh school ni ma na wi de ko fi
chimi so me de nie papa
wo de
wa me de nye nam de boa no
kro no be na papa wo
wa wi wu ni di ofi o de me catch wo me chire kom o ti asama me catch
ya da kro no
o fra me kronfo
ozo fra me so me kronfo
o fra me kronfo
obi a fra me sali o fra me kronfo
he enye me ba no obi
ya me ko yi se me gusu se wona ase asanto anyewo
wo de wo
agora me di
ka be se nam ko yi nuru ni ma na fa be se ko
eno me na me be ko fia na na be
wo na adi ko fia na se
chimi
wa be chew chimi me de obere wa chew o ko fa ni mu apede
and say they would deal with drugs no
o ko fa ni mu apede
say me fa wa chia no say am de bia me fa wa chia
no am be se ni ko
ko busa me na me
o you ko busa o yifa
Adams, what the fancy nua ketua ni nua panyi kasa. I want us to talk, Adams.
Aroma, unja long now kasa. Nti wo ye gina me de minim se me nua ketua na o jam minim kasa. Nje so ka kire me se me fa ne se nua ketua nua.
Listen, approach now the man meaning say mama should meet this uncle Mo Adams.
Aroma, wo de me ko.
Bro, come on. Let's talk. Adams, the last time I asked you about you and Asantua, Okache me say there is nothing going on between you guys. Adams.
Say baby uncle. So
Adams.
we have nothing doing.
Listen. Me ne okroya nim say ne unim se bibi ikoso woni asanto atam. But listen, Adams, me srew.
You know, see, when besides all for so am I say ayeho. Me no.
And yes, me for so man say ayeho. Unim say ye no kre. Adams. Hey, unim say taboo na we, unim say mujafra na we, Adams.
They name Mujafra.
Yes, Mujafra in the sense say you clearly know say my ye one kasa wo uncle any asantua ako lie Adams. Na say my ye ni na kola am say bi anyensen krampo abamu a anyensen abamu Adams. E wo say wo fa wo fa chiko yes ade no.
I'm gazing joke. Who be jinan ma Mujafra? Who hweso aka wan asem a hwe so ka wan asem wo asem bi se bi so no abisa me na echire din no bi akọ ne baby. Who ni Mujafra? Uni Mujafra.
I don't know me Mujafra.
Nti woni pressure say Mujafra na ni Mujafra. Se woni Mujafra ni se na esi chire Mujafra ase a woni precious no blood covenant ana say enye blood covenant.
Me I precious say me nuaba. I don't mean precious say Mujafra. Chim moment say
don't say precious Mujafra. Woni say me precious ade.
Look at how you're saying. Adam ye be ko so Mujafra. Listen, ye ka say ye trace ya kwachira ye be ye Mujafra sa. Listen, woni precious so be ko lie. You knew clearly say precious ye me ex. Na woni.
Na minim.
Obe hu say ye me ex na de na wan twon hu.
O de tie. Fan say me ejimefo. Me minim nya.
Enye say fan say we ejimefo.
Ye me ejimefo. Minim nya, minim de me.
Okay.
Nti me be precious na woni na date no. I me di sa Mujafra no. O na wonim nyansa no. Later na be hu say me ne precious nso be date no na wonim nyansa na wasa akodi na chi no me no ho na ejimefo. Me no ho na edi Mujafra na kese. Bro. Oh, hwe na wo futu obi ni asem bi se bia. Hwe so na bisa na gya Mujafra no. We be cheche Mujafra say na wonim de waye.
What non Mujafra, any Mujafra in film. But not see a futu na Adams, please. Asantua pa de se woni asantua obibi Adams is totally wrong. Adams. Wo den kama me nuafo kwantam ti say me name my date precious so date. Na wo fa de
me maswan shige no kra no opekwan bi afa so kra e de ja me kra say. Asantua no.
Opekwan bi afa so jao.
What the issue be about mama.
Also piska.
Oh, the own shame about mama swan shime there.
Oh, chip, come on, you didn't come on. Bro, I don't see them.
Again, nem bibia no. We am as wa bomb me fiama make us in nem bibia no.
You,
me ni like
didn't come. I don't see them. O se den.
O se enjoy.
O se munyai. I den.
Se enjoy say nim de.
Oh, come on. You didn't come on.
As a means me Jimmy Pan was a missing me bibia no
from the beginning now you say Jimmy. But me so Indian come. I didn't see our simunyai. Didn't see.
Issue getting kitty but mama swan ship.
Open up, voice out. Oh, come on, maybe I know one more be on.
If we don't come about means me enjoy.
Near upon come on, you know. Oh, conclusion is a won't me nigga on ninja.
Yeah, phenomenon, I shall say, you're going, you're doing.
Hey, Adams. Well, and I made that here. Yeah, me be so general, me bro. The best I can do is I may for now much I'll say you and I'm on out to know and yet jai. But I mean to me for so say Jimmy, this is in YouTube. What I say. But all you're not saying be about, bro. Count me out, Mr. Why? Two for say, two for only I get 12 more saying every word two for say.
I said the walk and me say, don't call the door. Me ma call for them again. Then I will join.
Now the one I'm for Lemano. Adams. When I'm for Lemano.
Now I don't want my for Lemon. School one my for Lemon. My for Lemon is school. Casa.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months we meya.
Hey. Canning.
You're not even telling me sorry. I just
what do you think we're done? Hey, sorry, talk.
say it well.
Sorry.
Say baby sorry. Say baby sorry and touch me and say baby sorry.
Baby, sorry.
Say it nice. Add your words to it. Why you copy my words? Add some to it.
Babe, my queen, I'm sorry. Can you please talk now?
Okay. It's okay. Then I want some force you be. Hey. Be romantic a little bit. We are pressing on.
Precious, should we go? If you're ready, let's go.
I wanted to talk to you about someone.
Someone? Alright, I'm all ears.
Your brother. Scanty. That guy, I don't even know how he's your brother. You've heard what he has done, right?
What has he done?
You don't know what he has done?
No.
The fact that Opoku and Rachel were on a date and he brought Lucci. Haven't you heard it? You've heard it, right? Have you heard it?
Precious!
Have you heard it?
Are you serious, Precious? How does that concern you? I thought you called me because of the hospital.
This is why I like Opoku. If I'm talking to Opoku about such things, he will engage and
that's
be
because
nice.
He is a gossip. I am not a gossip, Precious.
Oh.
Besides, we have something that we have to do, Precious. You know we have to go to the hospital.
But sometimes you have to do on serious things. Every day you are serious. You are always serious. I'm even talking. You have to listen to me. Then you say some. Then we know that okay, we've communicated. Then later you say, oh, we have to go to the hospital.
What should I say? What should I say? Tell me.
Do I always have to tell you what to say?
Alright, you tell me what you came to tell me.
I said that. Say any debut.
You come here. I'm sorry. Tell me. Okay? I'm sorry.
So Scanty and hey sorry. It's not Scanty. Opoku.
Okay.
Opoku and Rachel.
Okay.
They were on a date. And then Scanty brought Lucci to come and tell hey, I don't know what I'm talking about. You are making me confused.
Precious.
You already didn't know the story.
Yes, you are confused. That's because we have to do something and you are not trying to understand me, Precious.
In conclusion, Scanty just came to spoil Opoku and Rachel's relationship. That's just what I'm saying.
And what am I supposed to say?
And it's trending.
And what am I supposed to say?
I don't have to tell you what to say.
Hey, Scanty. Hey, he's a bad person. Now let's go to the hospital, Precious.
Aroma, I don't like that. I don't like it when you do that. Assemble square, you see a can be not square there. If you don't even say, some people will think you are no good and things. When because what you're friendly. Assemble, then you say something, you spread it, then we will all know that you are involved.
Wait till we get to your turn. Come on. You listen, wait till we get to your turn.
But whenever mine comes, they talk about it.
The moment this information will go out, Precious, said they think you are pregnant. Huh?
People are already saying it. It's not any big.
And you like it. Let's prove them wrong,
but
Precious.
I'm not pregnant.
I understand you're not pregnant, but I want us to get a point to prove them wrong.
Every time we want to have a conversation, you keep on bringing this thing. I don't want to talk about it. Every time. If we are not talking about pregnancy, you are pressing your phone. Every time. Can't I just sit there quietly and talk to you about matters related to school and other things? You are too boring. Every time one conversation.
Alright.
I'm not pregnant. We know I'm not pregnant. The fact that I'm not well doesn't mean I'm pregnant. So if I vomit 1, 2, if I get hungry, if I eat other things, if I don't feel like eating something, doesn't mean I'm pregnant. False accusations. But if others are saying it, why are you also saying it?
And she is mad at me. She is mad at me for no reason. Canon, you're just mad at me for no reason.
No reason, Ben.
What's
My
the
reason
reason?
is valid. Every time we have the same conversation.
So you're not pregnant? Now why don't you want to go to the hospital, Precious?
I'm not pregnant.
Oh God.
Most of these come penetration kissing kwa nam de muni. Say akwati say we see our me papa twempena na yema.
Hey, mobuna mole
Dubai you do. Duba.
Umuadi
One say obinu papa chempena ke be wode. Na school ni say wa ne papa chempena woni so waware. Woni so shaka wa.
Na say mo so efifa.
Woni papa chempena no masa to mani aside that woni mi hye fa ho. Woni papa ne chempena.
Papa be ansem na wuke.
Me papa. Woni papa chempena.
Woni papa.
Woni Mr. Iddi chempena. Woni headmaster. Wo headmaster mo na chempena. Woni papa na chempena. Nya woni Mr. Iddi.
Me ne headmaster
chempena. Ni ayira na ka de baade. Wo nko fa Opoku mo no papa na akofa no so. O so waware.
Mina kwati asem efifa.
Ni ba nso magana enya wo last.
Ja wo so kan me so kwati asem efifa.
Kwati wa he fa say omo a wo gina ha no omo. Oni ni gina ha omo hu no mo na be kan he.
Me gina he.
Na hwan.
Me a drum gina he.
Na ha he fa. Enya wo last na fa be gina no wa de shekawa. E wo ma form wa me kwa na me obi a me say o me hu so ni gina wo.
Na me ni nyansa me ni so o papa no wa ware na me na me ne kwatwe.
So we waji me ti on ne chempena. Ka woni me say woni da ho ka wonye sa de.
Nso umu ade.
Ni woni papa chempena na ka ba me na ba be kasa boko. Se mi firo wi ntia na ase de ba de. Woni papa chempena no papa ware fo no wo ma no. Na ka na ba be kasa boko. Abra me no wo cha me an na wo form to ni tia na. Na wo
gina sister me just so be cleanansa so be gina say me no papa che. Papa de me ne ye de. Wa bodam pen won.
Me ya Oni ni chempena wo fa ma ka da so di nechi. Ka wo da so di nechi. Me ne wan twa me ka mama na ba be bo. So ni start mo 40. Ba be bo. Na oto nasa. O de so fa mi di. Wa mi hu so sa ni jana mi ti bi o ma. Me mama ba be bo.
Wo ti me won na so ye me.
Me to won. Wo. Me mama ba be bo.
Wa de we original me ni wo ti me won ni.
Ncho bi o say chempena na no asa ye de. Me mama me ba be bo. Nti best thing say obetwe mo afri no. Ma wo so papa ni jina ho bi. E na mama so nti. E mama nti kra so wo ne papa jina ho anase mo bonkomo. Nye sa da metena na me hu. Papa mama na baba be.
Mama me ne no betimi ai.
Jina ho. So ni Santa 40 ne nti krakra wa baba be hu.
Aka sei. Bibi abesenpe.
Ne me ma na maka chi o so me hu so ni papa jina ho. Na ba ya dia.
Mi kono ala ya kamo viala. Monye kono no so du next time be jenga nse me no papa de no betimi ama me. Ni no sa be gina me ni yes na Bennis so me hwe ni so ma hu ade we pin wate. O pa no ye hwan ya. Ano ma me ni so ye hwan ya. Asemu. Di ne school mu aye be hu de e be siwa.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any monster dra meya.
Ni be school mu. Se ya me ni ambra wan hwe nye papa. School mu a ya me ni ambra enima ekosu ni nyenyenyenyenyenyenye wodwunu kwa wonte ase se ni sei se be school nkura be school so mbe sua de ne nti akura bia be kufie no de akura na ekọ akura be kufie no de akura na ekọ de eni sei
mk asemba yesu ha wani naka students obia ni won ma wase nyinsen biem
won nyinsen biem
wala nyinsen biem
won asanto na sanyim no asanto na wono ma ne ba wuo no and you sure say so wo ye wanya ayi friend is abemduru andi it was so sanyim foforo na obi wo abemduru de bren mani dio se yo
mk
asanto wanyim osa na okura no so na sanyim
mk se no kasa na so di science sen ba enye papa no mienu me okura school mu minikura I have no rival here minikura wa me pa cho pa yi
na ade imaye wo fast nyo okura no scanty nyo okura no
scanty biti ni ma chokura
ni no
me ne mpiri akura ne ye pre on but enye oba no it's not amabrita any ye pre on ho na me de me ka chi wan se misiro eto da ye wa dwen se o fifi ifunu bibiri ba hu nsama asemu a wo kan no say nyampa you have no proof you can't even substantiate into date na odo anu eka
se black aso wo yale kakara wo bodam se black em se hu tu school che so nyem kwara ni binti no eye o se de e bi enya no kore
tiye me no kasa on na so mo anu tiame a you see the bad side of me party
ene de ba bo
me see me bu but me no kasa o kasa me be ha me a untimi enyina manim me no koi I'm just warning you so be hwe yi
it warn ni keke no
Kafra, we are very sorry. You know I'm not
that. Me dey no word dey won see me duabo. Black, word dey won see me duabo ketekete kura say. No word is about me, me smete kwa kuma. Simple.
What do you want to come into me duabo? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Hey,
say as a man as you are, we did not say we be budia.
Wa bodam on sa ho de no amu atwede a na me mu atwede na nyi ya nyama no na me bo duaku. Na me nyo dey.
MK, that was just by the way, but Miss Low. Eto da you are doing say, oh, fifi, if you be budia. What? Say, as a man as you are, we did not say we be budia. We are fair.
Wa bodam on sa ho de no amu atwede a na me mu atwede na nyi ya nyama no na me bo duaku. Na me nyo dey.
MK, that was just by the way, but Miss Low. Ekobani certain bia na ye ton your students na you school we are disgracing it.
Eti akwade yin na di preko yo ani Adams yin yin Adams yin na di ho beto ye boy headmaster maneze akwa santo asa anyim eti yin di asanto ka so nyim o boa na ko yiegu mesumi to yiegu a me contest na me nso yiegu eti ni yin na di
de okay ye me yin Scanty Iddi
na nya kwa no yin na di nya o de
won say bibini BS na chese ni nwa ho akire no won tell na wo say obi be wo bechi ni
black jai enyo no mi tira won ti wo to adwumboni eso timma Adam sika onkokora na eyi na di afi school ma obi anne na etwe kora de ye yi na di afi school ma nya o de na ompe we na apede en no asa konyo santo de no
okay me nya ni paboni ni si be Adam said di no ba kwa tene fie no
onya di nya me akitwa we wo unye paboni for kan akwa akitwa we wo ene na abe ni papa party
the minimum we ni every day you insult me catch you nya botre asem no uni grounds bia udina so de ka
uni me ko santo no ko sa santo no wonyim ma kwa santo hu sa santo wonyim akase headmaster be makwan na santo se be twene ne de na ko ni akotese ne ehu sa ampa wonyim ne ehu de ebe ye so wonyim.
Who is the main factor when the nyesa santo
enye Scanty na enyi sa santo
this guy but Mr. Wodi ya say we yen cover it up na yen twen kakra empanyifo se wonya botre ema nsuo gine a uhunu ade bia da si bia and then it is said that when with patience and then one that said the aunt he or she is able to find his intestines
what but damn sapete be we dey ni say one nya da say prabo antete anso abu ya da prabo antete abu ni so ko fa no yin fa ene ni kire yen ka tell masa ni ehu de ni empa akora ni free school a oni eyi ni nyina ojo afa na abegya be se ne ni kire
de obi ho nkire no
be say yen call headmaster o ni wa
me force
enye for won ko de na chese woni hu bi na chese wona ade ka be kagu so mi dwenya me ka be kagu say wona wo di ani mu bi wona ade Scanty ma so wo pese Scanty no asanto yi na ye lie e na ade na komma no na so asemba wo ho be chiru dwenya me
you were devil incarnate wo we are born some power
can work up
on no say ni but right within you are a Satan
say na nsenyo me bi koso school mu ha me ni nje ho kra me ka se me ni ju ana me boa me ni nje ho
there how what is happening
enyo obaba no
what has she done
saying obaba Tatiana no the last time me twem na was stopping me on kama minti a ono na te say ese me ne papa twemp na
what who told her that
me bisa no so obi na ka cha me so na wonya assign information in free ene de enye no kwa me de o kan me deny me ka cha ne say there is nothing going on,
which means you do not accept that.
Oh my God,
why are there
so the bill because
Mumis ni bi na ka asem na chere.
Me baby oti free nimpa ko ka chere no. Ti me de ebe ya maye ye ntwitwa bibia so.
Ntwitwa de enso.
Na isi oba de
ye ntwitwa wo hu nti de ye ntwitwa de enso.
Oso wa my hero ka show you real.
How do you want to capitalize on this to jail to me? Ye ntwitwa de enso. Oba ka chere ma me so what? After all me be one ma me ni nyina who owns them. Enye me na mkita wa mumienu.
Na me nso me wondwe me.
Enti sa me ka cho say nya abotra so ntwitwa bibia so ntwitwa bia so say.
Me dey say nim gwase dey me ntimi nje ebe.
Nim gwase ebe. Wo da abotra o nya abotra samba tobo. Nya abotra nya mehwehwem. Nya atem no esa me dey to bia me beto. Enya nu wonum say ye nya na wo prayer na sa na wanya dey.
Ye twitwa bibia so na ha na say mu dey na how because me say nim gwase me ntimi nje.
Na twitwa bibia so sa na ye no.
I say nim gwase na
but I don't know, why do you always want to hurt me?
Who is hurting me? Una also hurting me because me a student. E ba say obi ate say me tutor e twemp na. Enya nice. Enya nice crying ti me de maka twa.
Enya nice ene ni ohi. Waka asem se mate me amahwehwem me na akola no ma find out bi akola nya na asem besides one ya antum. Enso
ena bi say wa onim say no kre. Ana enya no kre.
Da bi o no kre nti what are you insinuating? Tell me no kre nti dey.
Nti de me pese me ka twa ni say now baby na me so minti na baby na mpese.
What for what you da na dem tell. Because me nti me o kana say. Ya chi say abokro no ana. And I crime to love you.
Ya chi na me make sure say oba na.
Ya chi say abokro no ana. Boni be ni unsa me do. Tell me. Is it a crime?
When you say obi a ware how new students e twemp na oba na ehu also kwa ka kire o maame no.
We are ma menka watem baako. Obi a seeking happiness o.
It's a no arena.
Some enemy shall until no faton chain until the Alcanum patcho. And on the Ephraim, may Messi Mesha Semunum, Yasam no. The right a year say and a bay.
When my culture made the whom you are chemists who are
Debbie. No,
only me bonnet, Miss the economy.
Bennis.
Miss
Sako.
Oh no, banning your cousin. I may mean to me, Hammy.
Bennis.
Fast and cold.
No. But no cousin, which your family so. And I have been to some good girl soon. Because we they say in Kenyan news how.